First question is interview is that introduce yourself.
Sir, good morning, sir. Myself Siddharth Nishine, and I am from Indore only, and I have done graduation in BE from Computer Science branch from IPS College Indore, and my schooling was done in Sikka School Indore, and sir,
Okay. Which technology you are comfortable?
in Java.
Okay. What is Java?
So Java is basically a complete technology in which we can create from a small application to large scale application, and it can be a web based application, it can be desktop based application, and basically it uses JDK, JRE, and JVM is a part of JRE. JDK is Java Development Kit, JRE is Java Runtime Environment.
Okay. Without JDK we can compile Java program code or not?
So without JDK we can compile. Without JDK we cannot compile, sir. Enough.
Okay. JRE is used for compilation or execution?
Execution.
Okay. My question is that without JDK program will compile or not?
No, sir, no.
If your system has only JRE, then program will compile or not?
So it will execute. It
Not
will not
compile.
compile.
Okay, that is the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between C language and Java language?
So basically, it's both the languages are object oriented, but in C++ it has only compiler. But in Java there are both compiler and interpreter. And in C language, C++ language, it supports method overloading also and operator overloading. But in Java there is only method overloading. It does not support method overloading. Oh, sorry, operator overloading.
Java is platform dependent or platform independent?
Sir, for Java, Java is platform independent, but JVM is platform dependent. Because Java code we can write anywhere, on Linux, on Windows, it will run with the use of JVM.
What is native library in Java?
Native libraries means which is non-library of Java, and it is basically from C++ language. Primitive data types like.
What Java used to manage native library?
So JNI. JNI is used to link native library to Java at the time of execution. JNI means Java native interface.
Okay. How to declare constant in Java?
Sir, to declare constant we use final.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between static and final?
Sir, both are same actually, but in final there is constant value and memory is also constant. But in static, memory is constant, but value will be changed, can be changed.
Okay. What is the major limitation of Java array?
So Java array is very positive also, but negative is it has fixed size.
Okay.
And we cannot destroy elements in between or destroying the elements.
Okay. What is the superclass of Java?
Superclass, object class. Object class is the superclass of Java.
What is the default package of Java?
Default package, java.lang package is the default package. We do not have to write anywhere.
What is the default access modifier in Java?
Access modifiers are default only.
What is the difference between default and public?
So default and public. Public is which can be accessed from other package also. But in default, it can be access from different class in same package, but the different package we cannot access.
Okay. What is the latest version of Java?
So Java latest version is Java 14 or JDK 14, sir. In March 2020 it is only released.
Which version you are working right now?
Sir, I am working 8, JDK 8.
Okay. Why you are not preferring JDK 114?
Sir, it is costly, sir, and it has no price as well, sir.
Your company is working on JDK 8 or JDK 14?
Sir, 8 पे work करिए.
Okay. What is your recent project where you are working? Which project right now you are working?
Sir, ERP project. It is an ERP project in which there are pharma company related to pharma company, in which there are project related to their full data, means salary of employee and sales रहती है उसमें,
Inventory भी है उसमें?
इन्वेंट्री भी और लोडिंग अनलोडिंग पूरा
ट्रांसपोर्टेशन
ट्रांसपोर्टेशन
इन्वेंट्री ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एचआरएम
यस
इन सभी मॉड्यूल्स पे आपने काम
यस सर.
कौन सा डेटाबेस आपने यूज किया इसके लिए? Oracle की MySQL?
Some MySQL.
ओके. विदाउट मेन मेथड हम क्लास को कंपाइल कर सकते हैं जावा में?
Yes sir. We can compile without main method, but it will not execute क्योंकि after execution it will give an error. Main method not found.
Okay, so this is the interview for developers to implement the Java interviews to freshers. See how freshers can face the interview. Is already developers, but it is just a dummy interviews to provide the knowledge which type you will answer to interviews, because I have taken lots of interviews, but freshers has major problem is that they are not confident. तो मैंने ये इंटरव्यू इसलिए लिया क्योंकि इनके थ्रू मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि आपको किस तरीके से जवाब देना है. ठीक है, ये ऑलरेडी वर्किंग डेवलपर्स हैं, ये भी काम कर रहे हैं, पर इनको मैंने ये क्वेश्चन इसलिए पूछा जिससे आप समझ सकते हो कि किस तरीके से हमको आंसर देना है, किस तरीके से हमें रिप्रेजेंट करना है, किस तरीके से हमें कॉन्फिडेंस होकर के जवाब देना है. इसके लिए मैंने ये इंटरव्यू प्लान किया है. इससे फ्रेशर्स को बहुत फायदा होगा, जो लोग जावा की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं उनको किस तरीके से जवाब देना है, इनके लिए ये इंटरव्यूज आपके लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल होगा. थैंक यू.